So let's do a quick breakdown on gold, guys. Before anything else. Although nobody's in the Zoom right now, so I'll just continue anyway. Uh, so gold is this is the 4 hours time frame. Gold is currently bullish, as you all know. So you're going to be looking for probably a buy flip now. Okay, we'll be interested in the buy flip. So this flip here, the flip zone here has been mitigated. You can see if you go to the lower time frame, you'll find your entry is there. Then this is like a break, right? Price mitigated it. So we will still mark this out. We'll mark this one out. Right. So there we have a flip. We have a flip here. Right. Now also this place, we'll mark it out. Here again, we have another flip. So at this point, we want to be confirming our entries instead. Okay? We want to be confirming our entries. This one here, we just this is the other block we are going to mark with that flip. For this flip right here. Then this other place, we are going to be marking this one as our other block. Right. So now it's two ways for gold at the moment. Instead that gold comes down to mitigate from this flip zone here, one, or it comes down to mitigate from this flip zone down here to buy. Right? That's what you're going to be doing. But before we even take any trade, we'll confirm our entries on the lower time frame. This is the 4 hours, right? Once price approaches our zone on the lower time frame, I'm permanently refine it. Over to the 1 hour. Right here, the 1 hour. Here's the 1 hour zone. Okay, so we wait for price to come down to this place. Once price is in this zone here, we head over to the lower time frame. Okay, we'll head over to the lower time frame like 5 minutes. Now I posted it in the group. Time frames you have to look for confirmation entry. So we'll head over to 5 minutes to look for either Quasimodo or flip as our confirmation entry. Then we buy. But if it doesn't give any flip or Quasimodo at this point, we won't enter the trade. Okay, it's two ways. If price eventually moves away from this other block here, as if we are going to miss the trade, you just wait. There will definitely be a flip somewhere here for you to take a trade again. Okay, so don't rush yourself into a trade thinking you don't want to miss the trade, right? There will always be a flip zone for you to enter again. Just calm down. Okay, so at this point, if there's no confirmation here, we are going to buy from this extreme zone. But if price eventually breaks below, like just goes down to this two zones like this, right? Then we are going to be bearish. I don't care anymore. I'm going to be selling instead. Okay. For price to take out so many lows, this low, we have this low here. We have another low here. We have another low here again, right? All these lows, for price to take them out is like a major change of character to the downside. That if price eventually takes them out. But at this point, we are still watching, right? We are still watching for gold. Don't know what's going to happen. We are still watching, right? So that's that for gold. Remember, it's these two zones. We have one here, and then we have another one here. These are the two zones we'll be interested in. Two zones we'll be interested in. Same here. Right, that's for gold. So now let's head over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I'll use Coinbase. Let's head over to the 4 hours time frame. Bitcoin, I'm still sticking with my bias. Why? I'll show you guys now. So remember, we have this sweep of a low. Bitcoin is slow currently. It's very, very slow. I don't understand. But yeah, this is it. Then this is our flip zone, right? Where we're buying from. It came here to mitigate. Now, mind you, I said something about type B inducement. Looks like it wants to buy, right? You are buying. Wow, Bitcoin is buying. Hold on, I'll explain something for you. So I'll head over to the lower time frame 1 hour to refine my entry, to refine my order block. So here, this is my refined order block right here. Uh, that's my refined order block, right? Now, this is type B inducement. This is type B inducement, type 2, sorry. Type 2 inducement. Remember, I told you if your inducement is not like this, A, B, C, then price take out this B leg, then buy, right? It will be like this. Just like, for example, like this one now. Hold on. It will be like this. A, B, C, right? Then price comes to as if it's buying from this other block here. It's going to buy, right? As if it's buying. Then you come back down to take out early buyers. You take out early buyers, then sweep this low, then buy from a refined order block on a lower time frame here. To buy from a refined order block, right? This is inducement. And that is what is happening here right now. You can see it. We have okay, this high, low, high, low, high, right? Then price comes back as if it has created a low again. Okay. So now it mitigated from the high time frame order block here as if it's going to buy. Meanwhile, there's a lower time frame order block here and there's imbalance that needs to be filled. There's an imbalance here that needs to be filled. And price will definitely come back to take out this imbalance, mitigate this order block before buying. So whatever is happening here is just to trap early buyers. Okay. So to go up from our normal structure, the type 2 inducement structure, is go up like this, come back down to take out early buyers, then mitigate from this order block here to buy again. Right? It's this simple. That's why I tell you guys this is type 2 inducement forming. And I was not interested in any buys, any early buys at all. If I was interested, I would have given you guys another flip zone to buy up from here, like this flip zone here. You can see that reaction and then fail. And would have bought from here again. But because I'm still seeing inducement here, so I'm not interested in buying. Do you understand? So that's that for that. That's that for that. For Bitcoin. So you still put our eyes on this. Still put your eyes on this. This we are interested in this zone to buy again. We won't be selling, we won't be buying immediately from here. If you are even if you let me show you guys something. If you have the mind, if you know you can risk it, this is ABC pattern. This is our B leg, right? We have this A, B, C. Price comes to take out the B leg, right? Mitigate your order block and then sell. Then from here we'll buy. Can you see it? You can see how price is respecting structure. So at this point here, this price may just sweep this high and sell, or to sweep this high, come back to mitigate an order block and sell, then buy from here again. Right. So let's keep an eye on this. Let's keep an eye on this. Hold on, let me take a picture of this. So that I will show. All right. Is this easy? And it's like none of you have even joined the meeting, so I'll just keep doing it. So this for Bitcoin. Then whatever okay, let's check NAS 100. NAS 100. I saw something there too. Oh, it just interrupted. I hope it doesn't disturb what I recorded so far. I hope it doesn't disturb it. So let's continue. The network has started again. Network has started again. Oh, but this is a clean insight. I just wanted to give you guys insight on gold, Bitcoin, and NAS 100. But these two I gave you guys is okay. I feel like it's okay. So I'll just end the meeting here since you guys are not active. No one is active. I'm going through a lot right now. Wow. Okay. Okay, just let it be like that. So this is type 2 inducement, like I said. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is type 2 inducement, like I said. And price will come back down and buy again. Tell you guys, I see the chart like my hands. Everything is liquidity and inducement. If you don't understand liquidity and inducement, I'm sorry, you won't be able to be as consistent as I am. Yeah, I am more of a liquidity and inducement trader than just normal structure. Before you see me take any trade, I make sure there's liquidity. If there's no liquidity, there should be another confluence that will make me buy or sell that trade. Okay? So that's why I want you guys to take this inducement and liquidity very, very serious. Take it very serious. Apply it all the time. You can see there's imbalance here, fair value gap here that hasn't been mitigated. There's an order block here that hasn't been mitigated. Price is creating this high to manipulate early buyers. It's creating this high to manipulate early buyers. So you now you can take the chance. Instead of you buying, this is what you are going to do. You are going to wait patiently for your ABC pattern to be taken out. Okay, this is your ABC. You have A, B, C, right? Comes to take out the B leg, then sell off from there, right? To buy from this leg again. Do you understand? Take advantage of this structure. Take advantage of it. That's how I trade. Please, liquidity and inducement is very, very important. So take it very, very serious. Ta. So that's all for the chart breakdown. And since you guys are not active now, I can't answer any question. So good night. I wish you guys a wonderful trading week. Yeah. Let me just end this immediately. Um, Zoom.